Hind everyone. So I'm back with few tips as far as one of the important tasks of the group testing is concerned, and that is your progressive group task. So a lot of the candidates have a lot of questions as far as to how to approach this task, the first and very important task in the outdoor testing battery of the group testing. Now as far as PGT is concerned, mostly you are aware that you have got series of 4 obstacles starting with a simple one, and as you go ahead the difficulty level keeps increasing, so there is the progressivity is there in the task. Now what is important in progressive group task is that you got to understand the task as to what is the task, what is the requirement in this task, and thereafter as to what are these rules. And not only that, once you understand the rules, what are the implications of these rules. And remember, you have got 3 groups, or in fact you are the group of men, the material, that is your helping material, and the load. Now how all these rules are applicable to these 3 categories would be little different. The implication would be little different. So one must understand those things very, very clearly on ground. So understanding the task as to how the task is and what rules and instructions you need to follow and how you are going to approach the task. So therefore, practicing it on a proper PGT becomes very important, which we have in our Centurion Defence Academy, not only in Lucknow but both in Dehradun. We have a proper progressive group task where you will get exact practice and a very good practice and understand all the nitty-gritties of the task, the rules as to how you are going to use those or the implication of these rules while you are doing the task. And not only that, now how you do this task when you are part of a group. Doing it along with a group becomes very important. So that experience of working with the group again, is very important, because it is not only the ideas which you apply on these structures as to how you are going to cross the finish line, it is also in the manner in which you interact with the group, you are able to, how the way you are able to convince the group and bail out the group and make the group cross the finish line by applying various ideas, and also being a member who is effective, who is trying to convince people, give ideas and execute the task. So therefore remember, this task needs a lot of deliberation, a lot of understanding and practice. So here we are giving almost 3 to 4 practice to each group, making them absolutely clear about all the requirements, and obviously that makes a lot of difference. Finally, when you clear the SSB, and not only clearing the SSB, it will have tremendous impact as far as your merit is also concerned. So all the best, work hard, and if you really want to do well, come to us, we'll help you. Thank you.
डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, क्या आप भी NDA 2025 एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं अपने पहले प्रयास में? तो आज ही इनरोल करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के रिटन प्लस एसएसबी कोर्स में, जो आपको देने वाला है रेगुलर क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स, ट्रेन्ड फैकल्टीज, एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ द एसएसबी पैनल, फ्री एसएसबी कोचिंग, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड के साथ में डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, रिगरस प्रैक्टिस। ये एक ऐसा संस्थान है जहां हम आपको A to Z प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं और आपको नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की कड़ी तैयारी कराते हैं। प्राउडली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे रैंक्स देने वाली सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी आपको वेलकम करती है टू जॉइन आवर अपकमिंग कोर्सेज फॉर योर एनडीए एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन। Please call on 97959 77776 for more information. Thank you, Namaskar and Jai Hind.